today basically I am here to share few of the views and also to talk about the current pandemic COVID-19. So from past 1 year, well, the West has achieved many a thing. They struggled a lot. So last year, very happy news came to us when our ideas were liked, appreciated, and congratulated by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, and he himself wrote a letter to the Wealthy West team and the members, congratulated him uh, personally to us. So I'd like to thank him for sharing his gratitudes and love towards Wealthy West. Secondly, Team Wealthy West has also won a Best International Paper Award on waste management, and the topic was waste is innovation, which is also the slogan of Wealthy Waste. We have made in such a way paper that it should uh, get matched with our slogan. We presented in IEM, Institute of Engineering Management. There we got the international paper award. I'd like to thank all my team members who supported me. Recently we were also we were also felicitated by the chief secretary and the chairman of HITCO Kolkata, Mr. Devashish Shane. Thank you, sir, for supporting and helping and encouraging us. Recently we were also invited by one of the well reputed institute of Nagpur, MKS and Cheti Public School, who invited us in the occasion of National Science Day. There we conducted a workshop on waste management and sustainable development, and we were felicitated and thanked by Mr. Mohan Gandhi, who is the president of Oswal Education Sanstha Nagpur, the director of MKS Sancheti Public School, Mr. Amit Yenurkar, and the principal of MKS Sancheti Public School and Junior College, Dr. Bindu Joseph. So I'd like to thank all of you, sir and madam, for inviting us and giving Team Wealthy Waste this opportunity to share their views with the students, the bright students of MKS Sancheti. So, and after that, Sancheti, MKS Sancheti and Wealthy Waste together, they were highlighted in one of the biggest newspaper of Maharashtra, the Lokmat Times, and we are happy to see all that things. Now, coming to the main situation which we are facing now, very disastrous situation, that is COVID-19, in which we have lost many lives. We have also lost many people's smile in their face, just because they are not getting a single meal. We are getting all the comforts, but they are not getting a single meal a day. How pathetic. You can't even imagine, even I cannot, because we all are getting sufficient things, sufficient comfort. So Wealthy West has started a campaign named Feed India, Smile India. In this campaign, I would like to tell you that we have touched more than 500 hearts with full day ration for 2 months, with full day ration and foods for them. We have done this in association with IAHV and Art of Living. You can go to the Google and search. This is one of the biggest organization, and Wealthy West is continuously working for the poor people, the needy people. So I'd like to uh, ask you that please go through these uh, two organizations, and please help Team Wealthy Waste for distributing more foods to bring more smile. Our main campaign is Feed India, Smile India, under which we have given all foods and ration directly to the people without any middleman or interference. So you are should be very tension free that all your monies are going directly to the people. So I would like to request to please donate Wealthy Waste and help us with more funds so we can reach more people, so we can bring more smile in the face on the face of the people. All the description about the donation is there given in the link below, so just go through the description box and see how to donate. The GPay number and phone pay numbers are given there. Accounts numbers are also been given there, so you can contribute. A penny is also important. I'm not asking for 1,000 crores of rupees or 500,000, 2,000, 5,000, but we should always think a penny is always also important for bringing a single smile on the face of these people who are working for us: sweepers, gardeners, workers who are serving us throughout the year. And in this crisis time, can't we do a little bit of thing for them? So I request to please, please, please donate few to Team Wealthy Waste and help these people under the campaign Feed India, Smile India. Spread the smile overall and spread this campaign Feed India, Smile India by Wealthy Waste. Thank you, and thank you everyone, and do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.